Imagine a future where your glasses don't just help you see the world, they help the world make more sense to you. A future where information, translation, and even first-person video recording all live inside a device that looks like a normal pair of everyday frames. Today, we're diving deep into the Xiaomi Smart Glasses, and by the end of this video, you'll know whether they're genuinely worth buying or just another hyped-up tech experiment. Stay with me, because the real verdict may surprise you. At first glance, these glasses look surprisingly minimal and stylish. They don't scream gadget, and they don't feel bulky or futuristic in an uncomfortable way. Xiaomi clearly focused on making them blend into daily life rather than turning them into a flashy sci-fi accessory. But don't let that subtle design fool you, because inside the frame is a surprisingly capable piece of wearable tech. One of the standout features is the built-in camera, which allows you to capture first-person photos and video directly from your perspective. Whether you're traveling, creating POV content, documenting experiences, or just wanting a hands-free way to record moments, this feature alone makes the glasses feel practical instead of gimmicky. You can activate recording through touch controls or voice interaction, which means no reaching for your phone, no awkward hand movements, and no missed moments. What really gives these glasses an edge is the AI functionality packed into them. They can help with real-time language translation, visual recognition, and contextual awareness features that actually feel useful in everyday situations. Picture yourself exploring a foreign city, looking at signs, menus, or directions, and getting instant help without pulling out your phone every 2 seconds. For travelers, business users, and global commuters, that can be a real game changer. The glasses also focus heavily on day-to-day practicality. Battery life is one of the biggest concerns for wearable devices, and Xiaomi has done a respectable job here. The battery is designed to last long enough for regular daily use without constantly worrying about recharging. That means they aren't just a novelty device you wear for a few hours, they're something you can actually rely on throughout the day. Comfort matters too, especially for something you might wear for long periods, and these glasses are fairly lightweight. They're designed to sit naturally on your face without feeling heavy or awkward. For anyone who already wears glasses, the transition feels natural, and for new users, they don't create that tech gadget fatigue some wearables do after extended use. Audio is another area where Xiaomi made smart choices. The glasses allow you to take calls, listen to voice prompts, and interact with the AI without isolating yourself from your surroundings. That open-ear style makes them useful for city environments, commuting, walking, or multitasking, where situational awareness is important. It's less about replacing earbuds and more about creating a natural, blended experience. But let's talk honestly about limitations, because no device is perfect. Some features depend heavily on software ecosystems and regional compatibility, which means certain advanced options may feel more refined in some markets than others. Integration with non-Xiaomi phones, especially iOS devices, may not feel as smooth as on Android. And availability outside key regions can still be inconsistent, which means depending on where you live, you might face delays or limited access. There's also the broader question of privacy and social acceptance. Smart glasses aren't like phones. People around you may react differently when they know a wearable device includes a camera. For some users, that's no issue. For others, it might take some getting used to. This technology naturally raises questions about etiquette, spaces where recording isn't welcome, and how society is adapting to wearable cameras. Now, when comparing these glasses to other smart wearable devices on the market, the big takeaway is that Xiaomi isn't trying to create a full augmented reality headset or a futuristic holographic display experience. Instead, they're building something more grounded, a practical, AI-enhanced everyday wearable designed to add meaningful convenience rather than overwhelm you with features you'll never actually use. So who are these smart glasses really for? They make a lot of sense. For content creators who want hands-free POV recording. Travelers, explorers, and urban commuters will benefit from translation and smart assistance features. Tech enthusiasts who love early adoption will appreciate how forward-thinking the device feels, especially as wearable AI continues to evolve. And anyone looking for subtle, functional smart features without stepping into full AR territory will find them appealing. However, if you're expecting immersive augmented reality overlays, gaming experiences, or cinema-grade visual projection in front of your eyes, this isn't that kind of product, at least not yet. These glasses are more about enhancing reality, not replacing it. So here's the honest bottom-line verdict. Are Xiaomi Smart Glasses worth buying? If you value practicality, AI-powered assistance, hands-free recording, and future-leaning wearable technology you can actually use today, then yes, they're an impressive step forward and one of the most compelling smart glasses available right now. They're not a gimmick, they're not just a toy, and they bring real-world utility that genuinely improves certain situations and workflows. But they're best suited for users who understand what they're getting, a smart companion device rather than a sci-fi AR headset. If global support expands, ecosystem features improve, and software updates keep refining the experience, these glasses could easily become one of the most influential and widely adopted wearable categories in the near future. Now I want to hear from you. Would you actually wear smart glasses in your daily life? Do you see them as helpful, or do you think society isn't ready for wearable cameras and AI-powered eyewear yet? Share your thoughts in the comments, because this is one of the most interesting tech debates happening right now, and your perspective matters. If you enjoyed this review and want more real, authentic breakdowns of innovative tech products, make sure to stay connected with TechVibe, where we explore the future of technology and what it really means for your everyday life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.